Okay, welcome back everybody. Today we're going to take a look at a rod from Kingdom. It's the Kingdom Stream King. Now, it comes in this nice hard tube. That is all good. Pop it open. Haven't taken the rod out yet, so this is a true unboxing video. First product from Kingdom actually. Got some Kingdom bubble wrap. And there we go. Okay. First impressions. Very light. It feels very light. Nice foam padded bag here. Not too bad, not too bad. Kingdom logo there. Pop this out. Let's see. So this is actually a 3-piece rod. And we've got 3 sections in there by the looks of it, which is good. Alright. Squeeze out the first section, and oh yeah, exactly what I'm after. Pop that out. Second section, the tip section. Okay, might cut this tag off. Kingdom Stream King. Pretty professional. All right, we'll move those 2 pieces aside. We'll take a look at this section. What do we got here? So, got the Kingdom logo there. This little concave metal piece. Feels good, feels very light. Wooden handle. Stream King, it says it there. This is totally your first impressions, obviously, so yeah, didn't even do too much research on the rod. I just saw it was such a great price, and it was one of the few rods that came in that sort of 4'6". Is it 4'6"? Yeah, I think so. It's either 4'9" or 4'6". Can't remember. It's 4'7" actually. Got the model there. 4'7" 3-piece ultralight, 139 centimeters, 1 to 6 grams. So in terms of, yeah, the handle length, good. It feels crazy light. Like this almost feels hollow. I can, yeah, just imagine having a lot of fun casting this. But take a look at the workmanship. This is kind of textured, I would say, like all these indentations and stuff, you can feel all of those. We'll have a look at this part here. Don't know if that's real wood or not. It kind of looks it. Yeah, if that isn't real wood, then it's a very good disguise. It looks like rosewood or something like that. And then here, that's textured as well. Pop that off. It's got some writing here. Kingdom Lure Micro Expert. Looks like it's finished quite nicely. And look at the epoxy work. Black and gold trimming. It's a little bit uneven there. I mean, like in terms of the detail, the 2 yellow parts aren't lining up, but same goes with this. A little bit of black spilling out there. And this seems to be fairly square. Some rods you can kind of notice it's not super square on the end there, but that all seems pretty good. All right, have a look at the second part here. Spigot there. Guides don't have any branding on them. Yeah, the workmanship looks quite good, which is what I kind of expected. No issues there. 3 guides on that second piece. Top piece, very slim. spigot. Got our 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th guide. So 8 guides for a 4'7" rod. Pretty good, I reckon. Spacing wise, looks to be quite good. Guide alignment is good. No issues there. We'll take a look at the tip diameter. 1 millimeter. Look at the diameter here. Why not? Well, I've got this out. It is 6 millimeters. I think I've got a flat battery here. It's flashing. Never seen that before. So that is the Kingdom Stream King. I gotta say, for the price I paid, I'm definitely happy. There's not a lot of rods on AliExpress that are sub 5 foot, and you know, being 3-piece and so short, I can just chuck it in my backpack as a spare. But next time I go trout stream fishing, I think I'll definitely be throwing this one first. Yeah, there's a lot of rods in the range, from, you know, this 4'7" one up to around about 6 feet. Bunch of different casting weights, as you can see. So yeah, the quality is good. The action seems to be medium action. I mean, there's even a little bit of a bend into this 3rd piece here, but it's a pretty progressive bend through that tip section and middle piece. So I think it'll be absolutely perfect for trout stream fishing. So anyway, guys, I'll leave a link in the description for this one, and yeah, if you've got any questions or would like to see any other rods reviewed, drop it down in the comment section, and I'll definitely consider it. Anyway, guys, I'll catch you next time.